You've talked about this a little bit previously, and I think anybody does any of their own research online to find the health benefits of chocolate, they'll see the word catechins and epicatechins.
Yeah.
Explain what those are exactly and why they're important.
Well, so they're sort of in this class of there's tons of these kinds of substances in normal plants and normal food, and there's kind of like these organic compounds. Basically organic encapsulated is carbons. It's like you'll hear it all the time. It's the fabric of life, right? Everything in the world is made out of carbons, right? And so there's these aromatic compounds that have a particular shape with these carbon backbones that people believe are very important in health and disease. And the reason is there's a decent amount of data out there, right? And so what happens with these is that the reason I use the term they're sort of like active compounds is that's what we mean by that is that they sort of bind to other other proteins, other DNA and so on, or proteins, membranes and so on, and can cause active changes within your cells, right? And these kind of active changes within your cells can affect tons of systems, right? So I'll give you some real examples of certain things that chocolate, these polyphenols and these flavonoids and these epicatechins and these catechins in chocolate are known to do, right? So for instance, classically speaking, you hear it all the time, oh, it's good for heart health. Well, the reason it's good for health health, there's some decent research that shows that one of the classic things that it can do is that it can actually increase your normal levels of nitrous oxide, right? So the reason that's important is that it's good amount of data already out there that nitrous oxide is kind of like the higher levels you have of it, the more blood flow is going through your arteries, the healthier it is, the less plaque formation you have. And so that's just one example of how these compounds can affect your health.
So we're talking about coconut. Explain exactly what that is. Is it a supplement, a capsule that people take? I mean, what kind of forms are
So
they?
it's in a powder form, and the beauty of it is you could put it in a capsule, you can put it in a or a gel cap or anything like that. You could it very easily almost can integrate into almost any other product you want to create in order to get it to people. And what's important about this is that some people like certain things in gel caps, or some people like certain things in a capsule, or some people want it in a chocolate bar, for instance, or in in an additive food additive. And the coconut can basically get integrated in any of those solutions. And while integrating any of those solutions, it can still deliver the same active ingredients that are important in those high levels.